Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video, and the last video I made was of this boat right here. Well, it looks like we are not going to tear it down because I sold it. Something that happens. I am sorry for all the SV Seeker fans out there that really wanted me to tear this down and rebuild it, but an opportunity came up and I just couldn't pass it up. So the sale of this boat is going to finance the trip that I'm going to take down the loop. So I just wanted to do a quick video and let you see the boat one more time, and we'll move on to bigger and better things. But stay tuned. Alright, well, it's leaving. I sold it and traded for a gun. And I think both of us are happy. Got a pretty good deal on it. Going to a young man in Kansas City. Alright, it's leaving. Sold it to a real good fella named Tim. I think he's gonna make a bow fishing boat out of it. Well, there it goes. Okay, as you can see, the boat is gone. I did sell it, and I traded for a 40 cal Smith & Wesson M&P. The young man that got it, his name is Timothy, and seems like a pretty good fella. And I'm just glad it went to somebody that's going to do something with it. I really wanted to fix it up and take it down for my river trip, but I already have one that I've spent all this money in right over here, and so I'm going to just continue with that. And now I've got the money to finance my trip, and the world just keeps going around. I hope I don't upset any of the SV Seeker fans or crew that joined my channel to watch this. I am sorry, but stay tuned, stay connected with me, because we're going to keep working on that boat and on my pontoon boat and take it down the river and video that, and hope that y'all just stay with us. Thanks again.